referee forced officials to clear the gym and pull off the game. Number 7's Gary Horker is live at Lake Washington High in Kirkland with what he's learning. Gary?
Steve, here's what we're learning. For every person you talk to on this campus, you get a slightly different version of what happened during that brawl on Saturday night. So to get to the bottom of this, Kirkland police are doing two things. One, they're still interviewing eyewitnesses. We saw them at the gym here earlier tonight at Lake Washington High. And the second thing is they have a key piece of evidence. It's videotape taken by a parent. They're not sharing that video with us, but they say it's clear enough to show who might have provoked the fight. Lake Washington High student Sam Ross was in the stands at the game against Bothell when chaos suddenly erupted from the bleachers on the corner of the court.
Basically, everyone just really flew up in their chairs and started screaming. A lot of the high school students were like hooting and hollering.
They were watching a man in a walker falling to the floor as he became entangled with a referee while the ref was trying to eject that man from the gym. Eyewitnesses tell us the man in the walker was the father of a Bothell player, and he might have angrily kicked the ball at the ref when it went out of bounds. When the ref and the man tangled up, one of the Bothell players instantly reacted.
The player, he came out of the crowd and he pushed the referee with both hands onto his shoulders, and the referee just went flat down.
That player was the son of the man in the walker. Eyewitnesses like Sam say it appeared he was defending his dad, and the shove to the ref was violent.
It was obviously really hard because he really flew back.
The ref?
The ref did, yeah. He really went far.
The coach of Lake Washington tells us it happened so fast, by the time he looked up, the whole thing was over.
Well, all the kids from both teams were great. They were playing hard. There were no incidents in the game, and next thing we know, we see a parent on the ground, and we see an official on the ground.
By the way, this whole thing is very controversial here at Lake Washington High because they need that victory to gain ground in the standings to go to the playoffs. They were up by 10 with 7 minutes to go in the game, and the game was called up. It might be replayed with that time on Saturday night. Kirkland police, meanwhile, tell me the man who was in the walker was recovering from prostate cancer. We tried contacting he, his son, and the ref. None of them had any comment tonight. We'll keep you posted at the very latest. For now, reporting live from Lake Washington High, I'm Gary Horker, KIRO 7 Eyewitness News.
New details tonight.